This past snowstorm that Buffalo faced had many take action in sheltering others who were stranded, including one local church in Alden that housed dozens of people.
First, it was a little bit undaunting to think that you'd have that many people show up.
Meet David Lutherman. He was one of many at the Town Line Lutheran Church who helped stranded strangers find shelter. He tells me when they received the call from the Erie County response team, his church took immediate action.
When they started bringing them by the busload, I said, well, is that the only busload that's coming? No, we've got another one. So, yeah, we had close to 75 people here.
And of course, many were welcomed with essentials.
And it was amazing how the town of Alden came together to bring the cots, the blankets, the food. Alden Food Pantry, Alden Meals on Wheels, Marilla Food Pantry.
The action of the close-knit community is what David says the church is known for.
Town Line Lutheran Church is a servant community. That's what made it so nice, was all these different walks of life, different nationalities, different religions, all coming together under one roof so that they could be safe. Yeah, it was nice.
Jocelyn Person, 7 News.